All right, so we just got this. Let's check it out. I don't see how it comes out of here. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Look at that. This is the pump. This is the pump. All right, so this is the pump, and you know what? It is not light. They have a special tool. You see this? Special tool. Let's put it back in there. And then this is the top of the handle. I mean, and of course it's kind of hard to get this stuff out. Let me see if I can get this out. Oh my God, it's just ridiculous. Oh, there we go. There's the handle. And I mean, it is not light. Let's set it here. Right, this is the body of it here. And you can see it's got a gauge on it here, right? And then it has this little thing here. We're gonna have to figure this all out, see how it works. And over on this end is, I mean, this thing, this is really substantial. This has got to come off of here somehow. I guess I twist it off. Almost got it. There it is. So this, I think, goes on to the, right, let's set her down. Here's the company, right? Let's get this off of here. Oh, look, this is where you put the connector on there. So the question is, what am I screwing on there? Oh, you know what I think it is? I think it's the head of this. I think that goes on there. I mean, that's what it would seem that would be it. It's got a hole there. I don't know what that is. So I think this goes on there like that. Let's see. We probably should look at the directions, right? But that seems to work, right? Wow. Definitely doing some screwing, aren't I? Oh, I guess I must be on. I think that's it. Yeah. And I would imagine, so you've got, you know, basically these are the same. You need to put this side on first because this does not swivel. So you're going to have to turn the whole thing as you go in. So what I'm doing is I'm using the whole thing so I can get it in there and then swivel it. So I'm like turning this whole hose into there because it doesn't give you like a swivel action on it. So once I've got that in there, then I can take this little tool and lock it down. Now I can get in here and put some power on it, tighten it down, and then give it a little push. Okay, that's tight. All right, so that's on there. Now, I just spin this filter. So I just go like this. Just like that. Trial and error, baby, trial and error. Okay, I'm almost there. Okay, let me grab this. Ugh. And now I can do a little tightening on it. I think that's good right there, bam. I think we're good. So let me show you what I got so far. All right, this is where we're at with this thing. Now I got to find the foot, the bottom of it. I'm thinking there's a foot to this, and it might be under here. Oh yeah, here it is. So here's this. This goes on the bottom of this. All right, so anyway, with this, basically all you're gonna do is once you've got your pump all put together, is this, you just set it right on there like that. It just sets down on top of there. I'll get it on there. That's it, just like that. And now you're ready to pump. You know what I mean, jelly beans? and then you put this on your tank. And that's it, I think. I mean, I think that's it. It didn't really come with a lot of directions. But yeah, and then we can see how much air we pumped into it. And look, that kind of stays on there. And I think to get it off, you just stand on it. Let me see. Maybe you have to push something on the bottom like this. Oh yeah, so you push this and this slides off. When you push this on, watch, now it's on there. To get it off, you press this, comes right off. On, now it's ready to go. So this way you can travel with it, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and break her down for right now. That's the unboxing, right? I think we're gonna leave it set like this for now, and then we'll set it up and we'll try it out by the pool with the tank. But anyway, yeah, that's everything that comes in the box, and that's how you put it together. These, I'm going to have to figure out what we do with these because I really don't know. But these are extra, you know, something, maybe this goes inside the filter, maybe this goes in the filter. We're going to have to research it. But there's a whole bunch of O-rings in here and a couple little valves and closeout things. So you don't want to lose any of that. And you want to keep these, you don't want to lose those. So keep those, keep all that, and keep your tool. You want to keep your tool. But yeah, that's it right there. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch where I blow up my tank with it. Peace out.